Hey there, all you food enthusiasts out there. Welcome back to my channel. It's time to take a plunge into the enchanting universe of exotic fruits, and today's superstar is none other than the fascinating dragon fruit. I'm wellness expert, and I'm super excited to present to you Dragon Fruit 101, everything you need to know about this tropical wonder. So, buckle up as we embark on this flavorful journey. Unveiling the dragon fruit. Let's kick things off by getting acquainted with the dazzling star of our show, the dragon fruit. Known as pitaya as well, these radiant fruits sport captivating shades of pink, red, and even yellow on the outside. And let's not forget the magic that lies within. We're about to dive headfirst into the hues, types, and the sheer visual enchantment of dragon fruits. Nutritional marvel. Hold on to your taste buds, folks, because dragon fruits aren't just about appearances. These wonders pack a nutritional punch too. Bursting with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, dragon fruits can give your immune system a boost, nurture your skin, and take your well-being up a notch. Ready to uncover the nutritional gems and find out how dragon fruits can elevate your health? Now, onto the taste adventure. Brace yourselves, because dragon fruits come with a one-of-a-kind, gently sweet flavor accompanied by a delicate tang. Get ready to join us on a delightful taste exploration as we sample various dragon fruit varieties and discover the spectrum of flavors they bring to the table. Prepare for a mouth-watering experience. How to eat dragon fruit? Fear not, adventurers, for the dragon fruit eating mystery is about to be solved. With its vibrant exterior and speckled interior, it might seem perplexing, but worry not, I'm here to guide you. From the art of slicing to mastering the scoop, I'll walk you through the best techniques to savor this tropical delight, whether you're relishing it solo, blending it into smoothies, or crafting delectable recipes. Culinary creativity. For the culinary explorers among us, dragon fruits are an exciting canvas. Join me in unveiling some inventive and downright delicious ways to infuse dragon fruits into your dishes. We're talking refreshing salads, vibrant desserts, and much more. These treats aren't just a treat for your taste buds, they're a visual feast too. Fun facts and growing tips. Now, let's sprinkle in some delightful trivia. Shall we? Ever wondered about the origin of dragon fruits or their quirky characteristics? I've got some fun facts lined up for you. And if you're nurturing a green thumb, stay tuned for essential tips on nurturing your very own dragon fruit garden. Your own slice of dragon fruit paradise awaits. Ladies and gentlemen, there you have it, Dragon Fruit 101, everything you need to know about this tropical wonder. From the captivating colors and distinct taste to the remarkable nutritional benefits and boundless culinary possibilities, dragon fruits are a treasure trove waiting to be explored. If this journey ignited your curiosity as much as it did mine, don't forget to show some love by giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing to my channel for more enticing escapades, and don't miss a single bite. Hit that notification bell. Thanks for joining in, and until our next adventure, keep savoring and exploring the culinary wonders.